Hello everyone, in today's video I will be teaching you how you can create YouTube shorts using Canva. So let's get started. Welcome to Smart Money channel, your place where you can learn how to make money online without leaving your home. So enjoy. So for today's video everyone, I picked the financial niche and I found the perfect video that I'm gonna get an inspiration from TikTok. So I went to video right here. This is the uh, business mindset, and when you play it's just show the city lights and then different slideshows like they just got married, the family, the nice cars and money of course. And this one I'm gonna use this as my inspiration and some kind of ideas. And I'm gonna go back to this blank canvas right here, and then I already typed the city lights. So on the elements, you click elements and type city lights. And this right here, this icon, you click this icon and choose the vertical. And if you have a free account, you click the free account. That way it will show which icon or videos or photos that you can use with your free account. But because I have a pro account, I will click the pro account. That way I can see better videos, or if they have some nicer quality videos that is available to my account. So I was hit apply filter, and you can use the graphics. They have different graphics, but for this video, I'm going to use the videos. So there's city lights that's right there with the airplane. But for this one, I'm going to choose this right here. And I'm going to stretch this to fit the frame or the Canva. And then after I stretch it, I will go to text. You click the text and I would add the heading. So for this one, let's make this a little bit bigger. So like that. But I'm going to reward this one, okay? I'm going to say you are 17 and you are stressing like you like 30 years old, like 30. So with question mark, you are 17 and you are stressing like 30. And then I don't like this text. I like using different kind of font. So I'm gonna use, for this one, I'm gonna pick the Roca One Black. Canva have different font that you can use, so you can play around with their fonts. So I'm just gonna make this big, and let's move this right here in the middle and make this big. So about that size. And to make this visible to everybody, I'm gonna have like you go to effects. When you click the effects and do a shadow, and I'm gonna make this white or black. Okay, so with this one I'm gonna change my text color to black. No, I'm gonna leave it to white. Sorry everyone. And then on elements, I'm gonna delete this one. Click the elements, and I'm gonna add a this background. It's like a square, so we're gonna put that in there. All right, so this one I'm gonna change this to white, and then I will send this to back. So to send this background to back, you click this three icon right here. You click position and then backward. So now it's backward, and we're gonna change the text color. So just click the text and make it black, and then go back to the effects and make this white. The way it'll stand out, and go ahead and click your background, and then on this transparency right here, make this background just a little bit, about 79. That way you can see the city lights, and that's how it looks. And if you are not content or not happy with the text, you can go to animate, and we can do type. On the pro account, you have the typewriter. I don't know if they have this on free account, but you can click type. All right, the typewriter. So when you play this video, you are 17 and you are stressing like 30s. And if you don't like that, you can simply click the text and change this to this one. I like that better. So now we're gonna make this about 5 seconds. And now add another page, and then on the elements, we're gonna type I'm not gonna do the wedding. So working hard. And then the same thing, we're gonna click this icon right here, go back to vertical and filter. And then we're gonna look for videos that we can use. So we're gonna click this. And we're gonna add the text, the heading, and type my mind 24/7. Make this a little bit bigger and change the font. We're gonna have the same font as the other one, and we're gonna change the text to white, and then go to effect and shadow, and then black. That way the text will stand out. To copy your text, that way you don't have to type all the time, just click the text and press this 3 icon right here, 3 dots, and then copy. And now we're gonna shorten this to 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds. And then that's 4, hold on. Okay, so 5 seconds, and then we're gonna go back to elements. And then in here, we're gonna find family. So in here, we can use whichever. So I'm gonna choose this right here. They're on the yacht. And then we're gonna go ahead, click the video and paste your text. And we're gonna move this text a little bit up, that way it's visible. And then set this to 5 again. And then we'll find money. And we're gonna put that in there. 5 seconds. And this is how I create my shorts, everyone. I have to come up with few things, of course. Then last one, we're gonna do cars. So we're gonna use this right here, the luxurious car. And if the video that you use have music or noise, you can mute the video. So, whoops. All right, and then we're gonna paste this one. All right, 5. Okay. So that's right there. Let's adjust this. And then I want to add one more thing, and this is travel. So travel, we're gonna add this right here. All right, and put that in there, and we're gonna change the text color because it's hard to see. And now we're gonna adjust this to 5 seconds. And the video is finished. So for this, everyone, you get to a 30-second video that you can upload on your YouTube channel. So what you're gonna do is take a look at it if you like the way it looks, and let it play. And if you're not happy with it, you can simply change the video, the background, and the text. So I'm happy with this one, so I'm gonna leave it. You are 17 and you're stressing like 30. So I'm gonna click the share, and after you click the share, you click the download, and then just download. And everyone, once your video is finished downloading, you can upload this to your YouTube channel and make sure that you are consistent on uploading videos. You can upload short and long form video. So to get monetized, remember to upload long form videos because the views you get from the short videos doesn't count towards your monetization requirements. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a new videos. Until next time, bye-bye.